In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're adjusting a document or crafting a new project in Microsoft Loop, knowing how to efficiently undo changes is a crucial skill. Let's dive step by step into how you can master this simple yet essential action. First things first, you'll want to begin by locating Microsoft Loop in your preferred internet browser. Open up your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, and type Microsoft Loop into the search bar. Hit Enter and you'll quickly find the official Microsoft Loop webpage at the top of the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the Loop website. Once you're on the website, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in. You'll typically see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll need to enter your account credentials. This might include your email and your password. If you have a Microsoft account, you can use it to sign in. If you're already signed in, it might take you straight into Loop without needing to re-enter your details, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Now let's imagine you're in the middle of working on a document or a project, and you've made changes that you want to undo. There are a couple of simple and effective ways to achieve this. The first method involves a trusty keyboard shortcut that is a real time saver in many applications. If you're using a Windows device, all you need to do is press Ctrl+Z. For those using Mac OS, you'll want to hit CMD+Z. Pressing these keys will instantly undo your most recent change. It's a great habit to get into using keyboard shortcuts like this because they can make navigating your tasks much more fluid and agile. If you prefer not to use the keyboard shortcut, or if you're more of a mouse user, there's another simple method at your disposal. Simply right-click at the location where you made your last change. A context menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From these options, look for the one that says Undo. Click on Undo, and just like that, your last modification will be reversed. Having these two methods in your toolkit is incredibly beneficial for editing and refining your projects efficiently. The undo function is one of those things that might seem small, but it can really save you when you've made an error or when you're experimenting with different approaches in your work. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you're looking to learn more about Microsoft Loop and other productivity tools, be sure to check our channel for additional content. Until next time, happy creating.